All right, so number 11, point P is in the interior. Okay, so number 11, point P is in the interior of angle element. All right, so I already did all that. I already went ahead and set it up. So this is going to be a part plus part equals whole problem. All right, because we have the 5x plus 8, that's a part. And then the other part is the 9x minus 2. And then the last part is the 12x plus 20. So we add the first two together and they equal the whole thing. All right, so you can solve it by using NSolve or you can solve it by hand. The choice is yours. All right, so I got x equals 7, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So that's going to be 5 times 7 plus 8. So that's 43 degrees. Then I'm going to plug it into 9x minus 2. So that's going to be 9 times 7 minus 2, which is 61 degrees. And then we have 12 times 7 plus 20. So we're going to see if those other two will equal this one. So 12 times 7 plus 20, I think that's like 104. Let me check that real quick on my calculator. So 12 times 7 plus 20, yep. All right, so when we add 43 and 61, does that equal 104? And yes, it does. So again, 43 plus 61 does equal 104, so we're good. All right, so let's see, it asked us to find the measure of LMP. So LMP is this angle, which is 43 degrees. So there you go. Number 12. Point B is in the interior, so I'm just going to draw the angle, just a random angle, and then I'm going to draw a point on the inside, which is going to be point B. Okay, so that's going to be, what is that, T, U, M. Okay, and let's take that off. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay. So TUB is going to be 8x minus 4. So that's T, that's U, that's B. So that part up there is 8x minus 4. Then we have BUM, so that's B, that's U, that's M. So that's 6x plus 3. And then we have TUM, which is the whole thing, which is going to be 13x plus 11. So just like before, it's going to be a part plus part equals whole. So that's 8x minus 4 plus 6x plus 3 equals 13x plus 11. All right, so you can enter that into your calculator or you can solve it by hand. Oops, there's an X there, my bad. All right, so I get x equals 12, and then I'm going to plug it in here. So that's 8 times 12 minus 4, which is 92 degrees. Making sure. Okay, good. And then I have 6 times 12 plus 3, so what's that, 75 degrees? I'm going to double check that. And then I have 13 times 12 plus 11. And that's 167. So you want to see if you add up the 92 and the 75, will that equal 167? And it does, so we're good to go. All right, let's see what the problem was asking us to figure out. TUM, which is the whole thing. So there's our answer, 167. All right, great, moving on. All right, which of the following angles is adjacent to CHB? So here's C, here's H, here's B. So we're trying to find an angle that's adjacent to that guy. So let's see, the next option was CHD. So CHD is right here, and that is adjacent. It's right next to it. So that's our answer. All right, next we have, which of the following is a linear pair with AHF. So let me see. AHF, AHF. So we need it to make a linear pair. So let's try GHF. Let me highlight AHF real quick. All right, so that's AHF. So now GHF. GHF, well no, that's right there. That's not gonna make a linear pair. So that's not it. AHE, AHE, no, AHE is a straight line, so that's not gonna make a linear pair with anything. And then we have BHF, so BHF, that's another straight line, so that's not it either. And then we have FHE, so FHE, there it is. So this area over here, and yes, it makes a straight line, so FHE is our answer. Okay, moving on. So the next one says, what's another way of naming a FHE? So let's see, FHE. Well, I mean, you don't really need to look at it to figure that out, but if you wanted to look at it, that's fine. EHF. That's the only other way we can name FHE. So EHF, there it is. All right. Number 16, which ray is opposite to HF? So let's see, HF is here, and the opposite ray should be on the other side of that. So that's BH, or HB, rather, HB. Since it's a ray, we have to go in order. Start from the end point, go toward the arrow. So it should not be BH. Okay. Let's see, which of the following angles is complementary? So complementary means 90 degrees with CHD. So CHD is here. So this is the angle we're talking about. All right, so we need one that's gonna make 90 degrees with it. So AGH, AHG, sorry, AHG. Well, that's way over here, so that's a no. Okay, what about DHE? So DHE, there it is. So it makes a 90-degree angle, and I can really tell because it does have a square in the corner right here. So we are good. That's the one we needed. Which of the following angles is supplementary to BHD? So let's see where BHD is. Okay, so there it is. So we need one that's going to make 180 because supplementary is 180. All right, so let's see, DHG. DHG. Okay, so wait, first of all, this was the first angle. Now, if I add on the second angle over here, no, that's way too much. That's more than 180 degrees. All right, so I'm gonna color this one in because that's the original one. DHA, let's see, DHA. No, that's not gonna work. That's not a straight line either. What about BHF? BHF, that's this entire area over here. Nope, it's too much. All right, what about DHF? So DHF, there it is. So if you fill the rest of that in, you can see that makes a straight line. So that's gonna be supplementary. All right, next, which of the following angles is vertical to BHC? BHC, so that's BHC. So let me just do this by drawing the entire line for both of them. And then you can see over here, GHF is the one we're looking for. Oh, that was the very first answer choice. There we go. Which of the following are perpendicular? Okay, let me clear that out. So let's see, AE and BF. So AE, BF. Nope, those are not perpendicular. They don't make 90 degrees. 90-degree angles. AE and CG. AE, CG. Ah, there it is. You can see that right angle right there. And that's our answer. Okay, guys, we are done. So normally we would fill all this in with all the words that we highlighted, but we're just gonna stop there for now.